Okay, a more explanation about passive voice. Here it is one example. John catches the ball. John, this is subject. The ball, this is object. From active to passive, this object becomes subject. The ball. Then find tense and either singular or plural of subject. So the ball is singular and tense is here simple present tense. In simple present tense we use am or is or are plus V3. So the ball is singular, then is we have used here as a form of to be, and third form caught. The ball is caught by John because John is here. This is explanation. So remember some points. Tense should not be changed from active to passive. If in passive voice your subject is singular, auxiliary also singular, subject is plural. Suppose in this example the balls means the balls are. So singular, if subject is singular in passive voice, then auxiliary also singular. For plural there is plural. So it was a simple explanation of passive voice. Now write one heading. Passive voice in एक मिनट पैसिव वॉइस विथ करेंगे हम पैसिव वॉइस विथ मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी. In passive voice with modal auxiliary used to be form be, means if there is should be, can be. So remember from active to passive modal auxiliary as it is. Suppose I tell one example, she can drive a car. This word can as it is from active to passive. She can drive a car. A car can be driven by her. Again one example, simple example. We should keep our surrounding clean. We should keep our surrounding clean. Our surrounding should. Okay, should is modal auxiliary. Our surrounding should be. Keeps third form kept. Our surrounding should be kept clean by us. Again, I am going to repeat this example. We should keep our surrounding clean. This is active voice. Our surrounding should be kept clean by us. Just 2-3 examples we are going to see here. You may write. A doctor should see him. A doctor should see him. Very simple example. You all know the meaning of such examples. He should be seen by a doctor. Means a doctor should see him. Him, this is object. But when this object becomes subject, then he here. In pronoun, I taught you, he should be seen by a doctor. Again one simple example. Our team could win a match. Our team could win a match. This is active voice. Our team could win a match. A match could be won. Okay. A match could be won by our team. Means auxiliary as it is and used to be form be here in passive voice with modal auxiliary. Now write next heading. Passive construction of imperative sentences. Passive construction of command. Send this notice to all the members. This is active voice. Send this notice to all the members. अभी इसको पैसिव में करना है कि ये नोटिस सभी मेंबर के पास पहुंच दी जाए. So remember 2 points in imperative sentence for passive construction. use late means sentence should begin with let, late, and to be's form is be, be. Let this notice be sent to all the members. Again, one example here. Do it carefully. Late, eat, late, beginning, eat, subject to be form be, then done, V3, carefully. Again, one example here. Switch off the lights. Let the lights to be form be, here ed, switched off. Very simple, you write and read. Now write heading passive voice of questions, passive construction of questions. There are two types of questions, yes no type question and WH question. So today we are not going to see a WH type question because this is not so practical, but I am going to give you some examples of yes no type questions. So write one example. Do you speak English? In active voice. Do you speak English? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो? एक्टिव वॉइस. और पैसिव में जैसे क्या इंग्लिश आपसे बोली जाती है, तो पैसिव में लिखो और फिर सोचना इसके ऊपर कैसे वर्ड्स हैं, नहीं समझे तो पूछना बाद में क्लास में. सो राइट इन पैसिव, इज इंग्लिश स्पोकन बाय यू. एक्टिव में क्या बताया? डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश. एंड इन पैसिव, is English spoken by you. Okay, again one example, active and passive, same type of example, then you will understand. Okay, did you learn English? Did you learn English? Now write, was English learnt, ed लगेगा, अब learn को या t लगेगा, learnt by you. Again one example, same type of, does she speak English? Does she speak English? Again in passive voice, is English spoken by her? Is English spoken by her? So think over it. And one different example of yes no type question. Yes no type question. Have you invited? Just write in passive. Have you invited by him? Question mark. Directly in passive voice. What should be in active voice? In active voice, here him. Okay, has he invited you? This is active voice. Has he invited you? Right. And passive voice, have you been invited by him? Again, think over it. So these are some examples of yes no type question. One again simple example. Right. Can we send this big parcel can we send this big parcel by air? By air? Question mark. Now think over it and write in passive voice. I'm going to tell you, but observe construction. कैन है तो कैन से ही शुरुआत होगी. कैन ऑक्सिलरी है, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी तो ऑक्सिलरी कैन ही आएगा. तो लिखेंगे हम कैन, कैन से शुरुआत करेंगे. कैन दिस बिग पार्सल. फिर जैसे कि हमने देखा था जहाँ पर मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी है तो टू बी का फॉर्म बी आता है. कैन दिस बिग पार्सल बी सेंट, SENT. कैन दिस बिग पार्सल बी सेंट. फिर हम बाय अस अभी लिखे या एंड में लिखे. कैन दिस बिग पार्सल बी सेंट बाय एयर बाय अस. दिस इज अगेन क्वेश्चन. नाउ राइट वन हेडिंग, पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. All rules are same, means to be plus past participle everywhere. If there is not, then add not. Should not, can not, was not. Should not आया तो आगे be आएगा. cannot आया तो be आएगा. was not, is not. Okay, simple example we are going to write. Write one example here. We should not raise this question. We should not raise this question now. We should not raise this question now. ये सवाल हमें अभी नहीं उठाना चाहिए. Now write in passive voice. You think first for 2 minutes. Yes, object, subject, subject, object. Means this question should not be raised. RAISED. This question should not be raised by us now. Yes. Next example. Right, again one example. Some members did not attend the meeting. Some members did not attend the meeting. कुछ मेंबर्स ने मीटिंग अटेंड नहीं की. कुछ मेंबर्स ने मीटिंग अटेंड नहीं की. मीटिंग कुछ मेंबर्स द्वारा अटेंड नहीं की गई. ओके, सो थिंक ओवर इट, देन आई टेल. ओके, इन पैसिव वॉइस एक्टिव में हमने क्या देखा था? Some members did not attend meeting. The meeting was not attended. The meeting was not attended by some members. The meeting was not attended by some member. Okay, and now write last heading here, some special examples. Some special examples. In some special examples, means sometimes people think that by plus noun is necessary in passive voice, and they think that passive construction means how can recognize passive construction, then there is by plus noun. So we have seen here in every example, in all example we can see there are necessary, there are not. Sometimes preposition in, sometimes at, means I am interested in mathematics. In passive voice here it is in, this is preposition. The doctor was satisfied at patient's progress. At, this is preposition here with satisfied. Again one example. I was surprised. I was surprised at something. So sometimes at, sometimes with, sometimes in. And in a few examples, in few cases, if they are special, use by plus noun at the end. So it was basic basics about passive construction. You will get few examples to solve from active to passive. Just listen, remember, try to practice over it, and I'm always with you. We have to stop here and stop passive construction also.